Today we're going to look at an artist named Morrisseau. He's a Native American artist from Canada. Morrisseau is a self-taught painter. His art depicts legends of his people. It's both spiritual and mystical. He is an artist from the Ojibwe tribe in Canada, which is near Toronto, where he's from. At 19, he got very, very sick. He went to the doctors, but he kept getting sicker. So eventually, his mom took him to a medicine woman who performed a renaming ceremony. That medicine woman renamed him Copper Thunderbird. According to tradition, giving a powerful name to a dying person can give them new energy and save their lives. Morrisseau made a full recovery, and now signs his work with his new name, Copper Thunderbird. Copper is a strong yet flexible metal, and Thunderbird is a mythical bird that would drag its wings under the clouds to make thunder. So both are very powerful and very strong, and he made a full recovery. This yellow region here is where the Ojibwe tribe lives. You can see it even encompasses part of Michigan in the Upper Peninsula and parts of northern Lower Michigan. He was from over here in Canada. And here's their alphabet. The reason I show you the Ojibwe alphabet is because he signs his name Copper Thunderbird and he uses the Ojibwe alphabet when he does so. You can see it at the bottom of this painting here. Now you'll notice he paints a lot of animals. He also paints a lot of lakes and water. The animals that he paints are typically woodland animals, which means that they're animals that we would see in and around Michigan. So he has a lot of birds and bears and fish, and he shows you the insides of these animals because he believed that the insides, the belly, what he called the guts, were what made a person strong. Your core, that center part of your body, were the pieces that made you the strongest. If you had a strong core, that strong center of your body, you could stand strong. So you'll notice that these animals have those parts of their bodies painted to show the inner workings of their body as well. Again, this is a fish, and all of his paintings have this big eye. We notice they all have these black outlines, bright colors, the guts or the insides, and their animals often will also see water included, like this, where we have a bird and the water. Here's another one where we see a bird actually eating a fish, another two birds, some water, another fish image. Here we have a bear. We have that big eye, the black outline, the guts, those inner pieces, and those are not done to look realistic. They are done in an abstract way. Abstract means that they're just lines, color, and pattern, so they're not done to look realistic. We see bold colors, this line of water connecting them, the stream. We see his name in the Ojibwe characters, and we also see that they are woodland animals. So on Wednesday, we're going to talk about our project and how we are going to use Morrisseau as inspiration for our project. I will see you then.